This is how to clean a filter on a front-load Samsung washer. As you can see on the bottom left side of the front of the washing machine, there's a panel. You'll want to take a screwdriver or something flat to stick in there and open it. That's on this model. Some models have a small plastic tab you can open it. At the top you'll see the drain tube, and below that you'll see the filter. First you're going to want to take the drain tube out and remove the plug. You want to make sure you have a small plastic container or something like that to catch all the water in. The water may fill up your container a few times, so just be aware. If you need to stop filling the container, you can just place the plug back into the tube and the water will stop flowing. Now you want to take an old towel or a rag and place it underneath your machine to catch any residual water that may come out. At this time you can now remove your filter by turning it counterclockwise and pull it. As you can see, the filter is quite dirty. After removing the filter, you'll be able to see the inside of the filter compartment. You'll notice that it's probably dirty as well, so take a paper towel and clean that out. Now once your filter is clean and the compartment is clean, you can take your filter, reinsert it, and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Final step is to close the filter compartment door, and you're done.